Hello, welcome back. Today I have got more jailbreak tweaks to share with all of you guys for iOS 13 and haven't been posted in a while. Now we are back with more jailbreak tweaks. Now for the first one here, it is going to be the tweak for control center. Now if I pull down like this, you're gonna find the clock at the middle of the control center, and you can see here we have A33. For the next one we have Cask 2. And this is the tweak that I have been show you many times, but this is the update for it, so it got 2 more animation. So you're gonna see here we have the new animation called zoom, and then we have drop, and I'm gonna go back and show you how it works. So now with zoom animation, you can just scroll like this and you got a zoom animation while you are scrolling, as you can see here. So we also have drop animation too, so you can check it and try it out. This is a brand new tweak called App Switcher Controller, and for this one, it allows you to customize app switcher for your iPhone. Now when you go to the tweaks, you're gonna find 3 options. For the first one, you can choose default, which is the switcher for your iPhone, or you can just select for the iPad. Then it's gonna bring the iPad switcher to your older device, so which means it brings to your iPhone. Now you can also customize the app switcher cards, so you can either enable app icon, or you just don't want, you can disable it, or you can just enable app name, or if you don't want, you can disable it. Then I'm gonna respring. Now after you go back, you can swipe to go to app switcher. Now you're gonna find here notepad lock file. It is going to be hide the lock icon from the iPhone 8. So if you are using the iPhone with Face ID, you're gonna notice the lock icon on the lock screen, so you can just hide it by installing the tweak. Now with my iPhone 8, you cannot find the lock screen icon, so you can see here the Carry Riser tool allow you to customize the carrier on your iPhone, so you can add a custom emoji or the custom text by just simply enable this one. Then you can just add your emoji or your text, so I'm gonna add here. Then you can just hit on return, and finally you can just restart Springboard. I'm gonna restart it. Now from my lock screen, you're gonna find a custom emoji on my status bar, just like that. Move on to short emoji. This is the tweak that I have been showing you before, and for this one, this is an update for it. It has just added a new feature called translate, where you can use your keyboard to translate the word into your own language. Now I'm gonna respring it first. Now I'm gonna show you on my spotlight, so it is easier. And for example, I'm gonna type something, and then you're gonna find the option on the top where you can just click on here, and it's gonna pop up like that. So it's gonna pop up the 2 buttons here, so you can click on select all. Then you can just hit on translate, and it is going to detect the language and translate for you. For lyrication, I have demonstrated you before, but with this new update it is even better. Now if you play the music from Spotify or from music app, you have an option to expand, where you can just click on here. It's gonna bring up the lyric in full screen. You can see with the new blur background here, it looks very beautiful. And one more thing, it also add the lyric into your control center. Now to add it, you can just go back. You need to go to settings, then make sure you go to control center, click on customize control, and find lyrication, click on plus. Now you can pull down your control center. After that, you're gonna find the lyric here, and sometimes it doesn't show up for me, and I hope it works on yours. But you can try with different music on Spotify or from music apps. Lower let you adjust the lock screen, so you can adjust the music player or you can adjust the clock. Now you can set the number here. Then if you go to your lock screen, and you can find here the music player has been moved, and you can see here. So make sure you put the correct number here to make sure it works correctly. PowerUp will bring you a whole new way to charge your device much faster. So what it does, it's gonna put your phone into hibernation, which means it's gonna put your phone into sleep and charge your phone much faster. And I think it is a good trick that you should try it out. Now every time you plug in, it's gonna pop up. So I'm gonna plug in one more time and show you, and you can see it pop up immediately. And if I confirm it, it's gonna put my phone in hibernation, and And you can see we have got a new charging mode too. It's gonna tell you if you want to wake your phone, you can just simply hold on the power button for 2 seconds. Then you should be able to use your phone after your phone is respring. So it is very simple. Now I can just go back here. This is it for this video. I hope you like all of these tweaks, and if you want to get these themes, I also include in my video description. You can check it out.